Hello. The Daily Beautiful News visualized by Information is Beautiful, June 11, 2020. Today's visualization is about new cookstoves are safer, last longer, and reduce emissions. 3 billion people rely on wood, coal, and kerosene for cooking. The resulting indoor pollution leads to millions of premature deaths every year. Plus 2% to 5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Clean-burning fuels make a big difference, while advanced biomass stoves like this one can cut household emissions by as much as 95%. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.